Just a quick stock update for November. Got a nice bobber, XL 1200, Harley Davidson. I've applied for registration on this one, so I should have the paperwork back in a couple of weeks. I think this was a 94 Dyna. Tidy condition, it's got MOT on it. This one's a UK bike. Well, we imported it two years ago. It's a 1450, or it should be, but it's got a Screaming Eagle on, up to 1690. A friend's been using it for a couple of years. Get some projects here. Harley Ironhead. Bit of a project. That's a Triumph. It's a Bonneville. It's on eBay. It's got a BSA frame for some reason. Another Harley Ironhead. It's a Triumph T120. There's a nice pan head, really nice condition. I've had this one running. It wasn't easy to start, but I did ride it. Got a Shovelhead. And another Shovelhead. Both 1200cc, kickstart and electric. Couple more Harley Ironhead projects. Honda XL 250. I've had that one running. Triumph Trident. It's got no spark. Nice little project. This bike's been restored. It's a Honda CT Trials. It's been restored to like a fun bike for off-road use, but because it's got no lights. Great bit of fun if you got a farm. Here's another Triumph T100. This one's got no spark. Turns over. Brakes work. There's a couple of bikes to put on auction this week. We put this one on auction. And oh yeah, that no, it wasn't. It was the Triumph, the red Triumph over there. So there we go. That's all we got.